Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia, and today we talk about keratin. I'm exposing the industry's dirty secrets and revealing the natural flaxseed method that creates permanent silk-smooth hair for under $10. So stop wasting thousands on toxic salon keratin treatments that destroy your hair. Stop everything you're doing right now because what I'm about to tell you will completely change how you think about your hair forever. Are you one of those people spending hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars on salon keratin treatments that last maybe 12 months if you're lucky? Please listen to me well. You've been played. The hair industry didn't tell you the truth. And today I'm going to expose exactly how they've been profiting from your desperation. Last week, a viewer named Jenny sent me photos of her hair disaster. She spent $2,000 on a premium keratin treatment at an upscale salon. 3 weeks later, her hair looked worse than before, dry, brittle, and falling out in clumps. The chemicals had literally fried her hair follicles. But here's what's going to shock you even more. The same results Jenny was desperately trying to achieve. I'm going to show you how to get them at home using ingredients that cost less than your morning coffee. And unlike those toxic salon treatments that damage your hair from the inside out, this natural method actually repairs and strengthens every single strand. If you're tired of being scammed by the beauty industry, keep watching. This video will save you lots of dollars and transform your hair permanently. Let me paint you a picture that's probably painfully familiar. You wake up every morning, look in the mirror, and immediately feel that sinking feeling in your stomach. Your hair looks like you stuck your finger in an electrical socket. It's frizzy, unmanageable, and no matter what expensive products you slather on it, nothing works. You've tried everything, haven't you? Expensive serums, professional treatments, heat protectants that promise miracles. Your bathroom looks like a graveyard of half-empty bottles that didn't deliver. And don't even get me started on how much money you've wasted. But here's what's really happening to your hair that nobody talks about. Every day, your hair cuticles are being attacked. Environmental damage, heat styling, chemical treatments. They're all working together to destroy your hair's natural protein structure. Your hair is literally crying out for help. And instead of listening, most people just pile on more products. I had a client, Maria, who came to me in tears. She's 42. She told me she hadn't worn her hair down in 2 years because she was so embarrassed by how it looked. She'd been straightening it every single day, using chemical relaxers, spending a fortune on salon treatments. Her hair was so damaged that her hairdresser actually refused to do another chemical treatment. The truth is, your hair doesn't need more chemicals. It doesn't need more heat. What it desperately needs is natural protein reconstruction from the inside out. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Now, let me tell you why every single product in your bathroom cabinet has been setting you up for failure. The commercial keratin industry doesn't want you to know this, but I'm going to expose their dirty little secret. Those salon keratin treatments. They contain formaldehyde and other toxic chemicals that actually strip your hair of its natural proteins, while temporarily coating it with synthetic ones. It's like putting a Band-Aid on a severed artery. The moment that coating washes out, your hair is worse than before, because now it's chemically damaged on top of everything else. And those at-home keratin kits you can buy. They're watered-down versions of the salon disasters, filled with silicones that build up on your hair shaft, making it look shiny for a week before turning it into straw. Here's what really infuriates me. They've convinced you that you need their expensive solutions, when nature has already provided everything your hair needs to repair itself. Your grandmother knew this secret, but somehow we've forgotten it in our rush to buy the latest miracle product. The reason your hair is damaged isn't because you need more chemicals. It is because you're protein deficient at the cellular level. Your hair follicles are starving for natural amino acids and essential fatty acids that can only be properly absorbed in their natural form. Every time you use those chemical treatments, you're like someone trying to fix a broken bone with makeup. It might look better temporarily, but underneath the damage is getting worse. Today, we're going to actually heal your hair from the root up. What I'm about to share with you has been used for centuries. But the beauty industry buried it because they can't patent nature. This natural keratin treatment uses flax seeds. Yes, those tiny little seeds to create a protein powerhouse that will transform your hair permanently. Here's the science they don't want you to know. Flax seeds contain the highest concentration of omega-3 fatty acids of any plant source. When you extract the gel from these seeds, you're creating a natural protein treatment that's molecularly identical to the keratin your hair produces naturally. But we're not stopping there. We're going to supercharge this treatment with cornstarch, which creates the perfect delivery system to penetrate your hair shaft completely. Then we'll add coconut oil and argan oil, two ingredients that have been clinically proven to actually repair damaged hair follicles. Let me tell you about Emma, a 39-year-old teacher who tried this method after years of chemical disasters. She was so skeptical that she only did a strand test on a hidden section of hair. When she washed it out after 2 hours, she called me crying, but these were happy tears. That one strand was completely transformed, smooth, silky, and stronger than it had been in years. She used the full treatment the next week. And I'm not exaggerating when I tell you the results were better than any $500 salon treatment she'd ever had. Her hair went from being her biggest insecurity to her greatest confidence booster. The beautiful thing about this natural approach is that it doesn't just mask the damage. It actually rebuilds your hair's protein structure. With each use, your hair gets stronger, shinier, and more manageable. You're not covering up the problem anymore. You're solving it at the molecular level. All right, you guys, here's where the magic happens. I'm going to walk you through this step by step, and I want you to follow along exactly as I show you. This isn't some complicated chemistry experiment. It's actually beautifully simple. First, we start with 4 tablespoons of flax seeds. Put them in a saucepan with 300 milliliters of water. Cook this on medium heat for about 8 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the water becomes thick and gel-like. The flax seeds are releasing all those precious omega-3 fatty acids and natural proteins that your hair is desperately craving. While that's cooling, we're preparing our cornstarch mixture. Take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix it with 200 milliliters of water. Stir it until it's completely smooth. No lumps allowed here, people. This is going to be our delivery system. Now, here's the crucial part. Strain your flaxseed gel through medical gauze or a fine cloth. You want that pure, silky gel without any seed particles. This gel is literally liquid gold for your hair. Put your cornstarch mixture on the stove and stir constantly until it forms a creamy consistency. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Now we're going to combine our 2 miracle mixtures. Add the flaxseed gel to your cornstarch base and blend with a hand mixer until it's completely smooth. This is where the transformation really begins. You're creating a natural keratin treatment that rivals anything you can get in a salon. Finally, we're adding our power oils. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for deep penetration and moisture retention. 1 tablespoon of argan oil for repair and shine, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil for additional nourishment. Mix everything together until it's perfectly homogeneous. Look at this beautiful, creamy mixture. This is what real hair healing looks like. No harsh chemicals, no toxic fumes, just pure natural ingredients working together to rebuild your hair from the inside out. You can store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 days, and this amount is enough for 2 treatments on long hair. Now let's talk about application, because this is where most people mess up. I don't want you to waste this miracle treatment. First, wash your hair with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. I know, you're thinking, but won't I just wash out the treatment later? Trust the process. We need clean hair so this treatment can penetrate properly. While your hair is still damp, not soaking wet but damp, divide it into small sections. This isn't the time to be lazy, you guys. Take your time and apply this treatment from root to tip on every single section. Make sure every strand is coated with this natural keratin. Cover your hair with a shower cap or plastic wrap and leave it on for a full hour. During this time, the natural proteins are penetrating your hair shaft and rebuilding the damaged cuticles. This is when the real transformation happens. After an hour, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Use a gentle shampoo if needed, but many people find they don't even need it. The treatment rinses out cleanly while leaving all the beneficial proteins behind. Now here's what you can expect. And I want you to prepare yourself because the results are dramatic. From the very first use, your hair will be noticeably smoother and more manageable. The frizz that's been driving you crazy for years is gone. That coarse texture that made you want to hide your hair is transformed into silk. But the real magic happens with consistency. Use this treatment twice a week for a month, and I guarantee your hair will be completely transformed. Jennifer, one of my viewers, sent me before and after photos that literally made my jaw drop. Her hair went from looking like damaged straw to looking like she stepped out of a high-end salon. This isn't temporary coating like those chemical treatments. This is permanent repair. You guys, I want you to really think about what I've shared with you today. For probably less than $10, you now have the knowledge to achieve results that salons charge thousands for. More importantly, you have a solution that actually heals your hair instead of damaging it further. Imagine walking into a room and having people notice your hair for all the right reasons. Imagine running your fingers through silky, smooth strands instead of getting them caught in tangles. Imagine the confidence you'll feel when your hair becomes your crown instead of your burden. The choice is yours. You can continue spending your hard-earned money on chemical treatments that promise miracles, but deliver disasters. You can keep filling your bathroom with expensive products that don't work. Or you can take control of your hair health today with this natural, proven method. Remember Rebecca, the client I mentioned earlier, who was ready to shave off all her hair because it was so damaged? 6 months later, she has the most beautiful, healthy hair I've ever seen. She tells everyone that this natural treatment saved not just her hair, but her self-confidence. Your transformation story could be next, but you have to take action. Make this treatment this weekend and see the results for yourself. If this video has opened your eyes to the truth about natural hair care, show me some love with a like. Hit that subscribe button because I'm going to keep exposing these industry secrets and sharing natural solutions that actually work. Drop a comment and let me know. Are you ready to ditch the chemicals and embrace natural healing? Your hair transformation journey starts today. Let's make it happen together. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.